Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a close-up look at one of the most colorful, in a sense, eye-catching plants you can grow, the Main Street Riverwalk Coleus. This plant is so bright and bold, it looks like someone took a paintbrush and said, let's make this leaf awesomely bright. Let's zoom in and see what makes this Coleus variety so cool, where it came from, and how you can take care of it like a pro. Now, I got mine from Lowe's. It was a clearance find and it was on sale for $4. The Coleus plant is famous for its leaves, not flowers. Most plants try to impress you with blooms, but Coleus, nope, not the Coleus. It's the leaves that's the showstopper. The Main Street Riverwalk variety is part of the Main Street Coleus series. These plants are named after real streets and places. The Riverwalk Coleus is known for bright red leaves. Some of them have deep burgundy centers, and some of them have lime green edges only. Now here's a fun fact. The Coleus plants belong to the mint family. Yes, the same family as peppermint and spearmint. But don't try to make tea out of it. Your taste buds will be very confused. So where did this plant originate? The Coleus plant originally came from tropical regions like Southeast Asia and Africa. That means they love warm weather, bright light, and humidity. The Main Street series was created by plant breeders who wanted Coleus varieties that grow well in sun, but also grow well in shade, stay colorful all season, look amazing in plants or garden beds. So Riverwalk Coleus is basically a world traveler with a designer wardrobe. So let's look at it up close. When you zoom in on the Riverwalk Coleus, you'll notice velvety leaves, like soft and tiny plant pillows. They have bold colors. So again, they can come in red, burgundy, and the one that I have is lime green. The toothy edges. The edges are sharp like leaf teeth, and the patterns can sometimes be almost tie-dyed or have a stained appearance. Coleus leaves are so fancy that they don't even need flowers to stand out. If you really look close, you might see some tiny hairs on the leaves. These help protect the plants from bugs and sun. The Coleus loves a bright light, but Riverwalk can handle sun or shade. Just avoid blasting it with full afternoon sun and super hot weather. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Coleus doesn't like dry soil, but it also doesn't want wet, soggy soil. Use fluffy, well-draining soil. Now, if you pinch off the top leaves, the plant will grow bushier. Coleus doesn't like the cold weather, so if your temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it gets very dramatic and it looks very droopy. Now here are some more fun facts. Coleus leaves can be almost any color except blue. You can grow new Coleus plants from cuttings. Just stick a stem in water and it grows roots. Some people call Coleus the painted nettle because the leaves look hand-painted. Coleus can grow indoors as a houseplant if it gets enough light. Riverwalk Coleus is one of the most popular varieties because of its foliage. So that's your up-close look at the Main Street Riverwalk Coleus, the bold, colorful, easy-to-grow plant that makes any garden pop. It's bright, it's beautiful, and it's simple enough to stand out, and anyone can care for it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.